There have been many conspiracy theories and rumors surrounding the Vatican and its supposed dark secrets. However, it's important to approach such claims with a critical and skeptical mindset, as many of these theories lack credible evidence and are often fueled by sensationalism and speculation. One of the most persistent rumors is that the Vatican has a vast library of secret texts and documents that contain information about various scandals and cover-ups throughout history. This has been fueled in part by the fact that the Vatican does have an extensive library of historical documents, including some that are not available to the public. However, the vast majority of these documents are not secret, in the sense that they contain scandalous or incriminating information. Instead, they are simply historical records that shed light on the history of the Catholic Church and its role in shaping Western civilization. Another common conspiracy theory is that the Vatican has been involved in various illegal or immoral activities, such as money laundering, arms dealing, or even involvement in the occult. While there have certainly been scandals and controversies involving the Vatican over the years, there is little evidence to support these more outlandish claims. It's also worth noting that the Vatican, like any large and complex organization, is not immune to corruption and wrongdoing. However, it's important to approach claims about dark secrets with a critical eye and to seek out credible evidence to support any allegations. Without such evidence, it's difficult to say whether there is any truth to these rumors or if they are simply the products of speculation and sensationalism.